You must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. Dave Ramsey. Wealth is not his that has it, but his that enjoys it. Benjamin Franklin. Money holds more power over our lives than we often realize. It's not just about buying things. It's a force that shapes our opportunities, our futures, and even our relationships. But do you truly understand the power money has over you? And more importantly, how to harness it? Today, we're unlocking the hidden potential of money so you can make it work for you, and not the other way around. In this video, we'll explore the power of money, not just as a means to buy things, but as a powerful tool that can shape your life. Money can create freedom, open doors, and bring security, but only if you know how to use it. We'll break down what makes money powerful and how you can harness that power to create a life of independence and purpose. Whether you're just starting your financial journey or looking to improve your financial well-being, this video is for you. 1. Money buys freedom. Money can buy freedom by providing the financial flexibility to live life on your terms, pursue passions, and avoid being constrained by financial limitations. With sufficient resources, you have the freedom to make choices that align with your values and goals rather than being driven solely by financial necessity. For example, having a robust savings and investment portfolio can give you the freedom to take a sabbatical, travel, or even start your own business without relying on a steady paycheck. Money can also free you from the stress of living paycheck to paycheck, allowing you to focus on experiences, relationships, and personal growth rather than worrying about bills or emergencies. This kind of financial freedom ultimately offers a sense of control over your life, empowering you to make decisions that bring fulfillment and happiness. Start by setting aside a portion of your income to build a freedom fund. This fund can give you the security to make life-changing decisions without being restricted by financial needs. 2. Money can influence relationships, positively and negatively. Money can impact relationships, whether it's with family, friends, or romantic partners. It can create stress, but it can also create peace and stability. Consider a couple who fights over finances. Managing their money better can lead to fewer arguments and a stronger relationship. Open up conversations about money with your close relationships. Clear communication and setting boundaries can prevent misunderstandings and conflicts. 3. Money amplifies your values. Money doesn't change who you are. It amplifies what's already within you. If you value generosity, more money will allow you to give more. If you value security, money can help you build a safe foundation. For someone passionate about the environment, wealth can enable them to support eco-friendly initiatives and reduce their own environmental footprint. Take a moment to reflect on your core values. Then, align your financial decisions to support those values. This can lead to a more fulfilling and intentional life. 4. Money encourages discipline and patience. Accumulating wealth takes discipline and delayed gratification, teaching you to value long-term gains over immediate rewards. Someone who consistently saves a portion of their income learns patience as they watch their investments grow. Try the pay-yourself-first approach. Save a set percentage of your income before spending on other things. Over time, this discipline will lead to significant wealth accumulation. 5. Money can increase your self-confidence. Financial stability often brings a sense of confidence and empowerment. Knowing you're financially secure can boost your self-worth and decision-making. Imagine being able to negotiate your salary without fear because you have savings and aren't dependent on any single paycheck. Set financial goals and celebrate small milestones. As you build your financial security, you'll likely notice a growth in self-confidence too. Looking for ways to make your money work for you? Don't miss our video, How to Make Your Money Grow, Tips and Tricks. Link in the description. If you're finding these insights valuable so far, take a moment to hit the subscribe button and tap the notification bell. Our channel is dedicated to helping you harness the power of money to create a life of financial abundance. 6. Money allows for strategic risk-taking. With a strong financial foundation, you can take calculated risks that can lead to substantial rewards, like investing in a startup or pursuing a passion project. Someone with an emergency fund and investments may decide to start a small business, knowing they have a safety net if things don't go as planned. Begin by saving a portion of your income specifically for risk-based ventures. This fund will allow you to pursue opportunities without jeopardizing your financial stability. 7. Money enables legacy building. Money can create a legacy that lasts beyond your lifetime, whether it's through inheritance, charitable foundations, or contributions that continue to make an impact. Think of someone who sets up a scholarship fund or an endowment that supports future generations. Start planning your financial legacy by setting long-term goals. Consider how you want to be remembered and what impact you want to leave behind. 8. Money is a tool for security and peace of mind. Money can provide a safety net, allowing you to face life's challenges without the constant fear of financial instability. Think about an unexpected medical expense. With savings in place, you won't have to go into debt to handle it. Build an emergency fund to cover 3-6 months of expenses. Having this in place will make you feel secure and give you peace of mind, knowing you're prepared for the unexpected. 9. Money is a multiplier for opportunities. Money creates access. It allows you to invest in yourself, expand your skills, and take advantage of opportunities that would otherwise be out of reach. Think about taking a course that could increase your earning potential. With enough money, you can afford these investments in yourself. Set aside a portion of your budget each month specifically for self-improvement, like courses, books, or certifications. Over time, these investments add up, leading to more opportunities. 10. Money allows for generosity. When you have enough money, you can give back to others, whether through donations, helping family and friends, or supporting causes you believe in. Someone with financial stability can donate to charity or start a scholarship fund, impacting lives in a meaningful way. Start by dedicating a small amount to giving each month, whether it's through charity or helping out a friend in need. The act of giving becomes easier and more impactful as your financial power grows. Today, we've uncovered the true power of money, not just as a means to buy things, but as a tool that can transform your life and empower you to shape your future. From gaining freedom and security to building a legacy, money has the potential to make a profound difference in how we live and what we can achieve. Curious to explore what money means to you personally? Join us in our next video, What is Money to You? Join the conversation, where we dive deep into the mindset behind money and its different meanings to people. You won't want to miss this conversation. It could just shift the way you view wealth entirely. If you enjoyed this journey into the power of money, hit subscribe and turn on notifications to stay updated. Every week, we share insights and strategies to help you make the most of your financial potential. Join our community and take control of your financial journey today. This video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult a financial advisor to develop a personalized financial plan.